loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trishina. Today I'm finally sharing the final reveal of my bedroom makeover, and I'm so excited to walk you through how the space came out together. This makeover was all about like creating a bedroom that feels calm, cozy, and elevated. You know, a space that feels like a true reset at the end of the day. So I'm just showing you guys a preview of everything that I did in the previous videos of the accent wall, me installing the curtains. And so I'm just showing you guys everything just in case you missed those videos. So this is the accent wall. And this is where I install the lights and also the mirrors and the picture frames. Okay, so before we get into the styling, texture, and all the pretty details, I'll always start with the foundation of the room, and that's the bed. Because no matter how beautiful a bedroom looks, it never truly feels complete if it's not clean, fresh, and comfortable. So this part of the routine is powered by FEEPPO Mattress Vacuum, and it's become a must-have in my bedroom cleaning routine. It features a 550-watt motor with the 16 kPa of suction, which means it pulls dust and buildup from deep inside the mattress, not just the surface. So you can literally see the beans lifted out, and I'll show you guys that later. And it's honestly eye-opening how much get trapped over time. What I really appreciate is the UVC and the ultrasonic dual technology. It activates only when the vacuum is placed on the mattress and automatically shuts off when lifted. That gravity sensing features make it safe to use, and even in a baby's room, like for example, it helps remove up to 99% of unseen particles. It also has the 150 Fahrenheit hot hair fresh dry, which helps remove moisture trapped in the mattress. I love that you can add a fragrance tablet if you like. It leaves the bed smelling clean and fresh without being overwhelming. Smart LED displays makes everything really easy to understand at glance. Maintenance is super simple. The magnetic roller pops right out and the side dust cup empties cleanly, so there's no mess and no hassle. There's buildup in anti-tangling and safety protection with this vacuum. So for example, if fabrics get caught, the roller automatically stops, as I mentioned before, and the HEPA filtration system helps maintain the strong suction while keeping the air cleaner overall. And as what I'm showing you, this is the LED. You can also make adjustments to it, and just look at the amount of dust that literally came off my bed, you guys. But not the mattress, but I think mainly the bed head, because it was very dusty up there. So this product is very good, and I would definitely recommend you guys to get it. There are so many hidden things in our mattresses that we don't think about day to day. After cleaning, this mattress feels dry, fresh, and comfortable, perfect for bare sleeping, or you can create in a healthier bedroom environment, which that's what I'm stepping into. Thank you, people, for sponsoring this part of the video. So let's get straight into this makeover. Now that the foundation is clean, we can finally get into styling the bed. I kept the color palette soft and neutral. I mainly focused on layers and textures to make the bed feel inviting, but you know, still elevated. So mixing different fabrics really helps the space feel warm and intentional, and that's what I'm going for because this is a bedroom, you guys. Okay, so this is a duvet. I'm just going to use a regular blanket in the duvet because the duvet inserts that I have, it's a little bit too thin, and in my liking, I like when it's when it's thick. So this is what I'm using, or just a regular blanket. This process took me about 3 to 4 minutes because I haven't done it in a long time. So I might install it different from you. You just have to do what's best for you and what's comfortable. So here I'm just closing the zip, and I'm just, you know, making the bed, and I'm just making enough space to place my pillows, as you will see later on in the video. Okay, so for the furniture and decor, I wanted everything to feel balanced and uncluttered. If you watch my previous video, I love simplicity. I love modern decor, but I don't like my space to be cluttered, especially in a small space. So each piece has a purpose and nothing feels too heavy, which is really important, especially in a bedroom. That is supposed to be somewhere that is very relaxing, nothing supposed to be overcrowded or cluttered. So here I'm just putting in the moss in this bowl just to give it a little oomph, so that it can capture everything else in the bedroom. To warm up the bed, I'm laying in these chocolate brown decorative pillows, and they instantly add so much depth to the space, you guys. Brown tones bring in warmth without like overpowering the room, and that is exactly what I'm going for. And it's against neutral bedding, which they create that soft, elevated contrast that I love. I always mix textures when styling pillows, like smooth, structured pieces paired with something a little softer helps the bed feel styled, but like still inviting. So that's why I'm going with two different colors, okay? So I'm keeping the arrangement simply and intentional, as I said, letting the color do the work instead of like overcrowding the bedroom once again. This small details pulls the entire room together and it gives the bed that cozy feel, like a hotel style finish, which is warm, like grounded and also timeless. So as you can see, I'm just straightening the sheet or the duvet cover on the bed. I'm just adding this brown blanket to tie it in with the curtain and also the pillows. Okay, so to soften up the space, I'm laying down this small washable rug on both sides. It instantly makes the room feel more grounded and cozy. I love using washable rugs in the bedroom because they are not just only stylish, but it's also practical, it's easy to clean, and perfect for everyday living. To me, placing a rug right here helps to define the area and also add, a little bit of warmth underfoot, especially first thing in the morning. Here I am just turning on the overhead lights, because to me lighting makes such a huge difference in how the room feels. Here is the final reveal, you guys. I am so in love with my bedroom. This is exactly how I envisioned this space, which is calm, cozy, and pulled together. To me, it feels like a true retreat. And honestly, this transformation has made such a difference in how I start and end my day. I'm going to also show you guys the before and then the after, as you can see. This is the before. This is the before, and just look at the after. Tell me this is not a huge difference. And I'm so grateful that I'm able to make this space. Oh, I actually envisioned it from a year ago, and I said it feels so cozy, guys. If you enjoyed this bedroom makeover, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your favorite part of this transformation, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.